Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is CID News Network, Islamabad. The news read by Zainab. Maryam en route Multan to attend PDM's public meeting. Asifa Bhutto Zardari reached Multan to represent People's Party. Islamabad's lonely elephant starts new life in Cambodia. Weapons used in nuclear scientist killing were made in Israel. Iran vows to continue work on nuclear program with more speed and more power. Pakistan reports 2,839 new cases over the last 24 hours. Doctors are studying the impact of COVID-19 on unborn babies in Singapore, where an infant delivered by an infected mother earlier this month had antibodies against the virus but did not carry the disease. A man was killed and 6 others were injured in a clash between traders and security personnel at the Friendship Gate on the Pak-Afghan border near Chaman. Take care and keep watching CID News Network, Islamabad. Allah Hafiz.